Now let us rest, I beg. Now look at all the clothes that somebody is going to be ironing. Now let's rest, I beg.
No, if Oga Titus come now, we are in trouble.
Who is that?
Oga Titus.
Oga Titus.
It's like he's with fridge, oh.
Fridge? Hey, what is he doing? What is he doing with the fridge?
With two boys.
Two boys?
Uniform.
Wearing uniform.
They're coming upstairs. Fast.
They're bringing fridge.
Yes.
Hey.
Are you fast?
Oga Titus. Welcome, sir.
Emmanuella.
We are working. Oga Titus, we are working now. What is that one? Which one is this one?
Oh, okay. This is item I call energy saving fridge.
Energy saving.
Now, don't you know this fridge? This is the fridge people are using now.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey!
Hey, come.
Eh?
Anna.
Hey! Oh yeah. Nah, Emmanuella, thank you for this thing that you're just telling me now. You are very, very intelligent. Thank you. Hey! Chineke. Nah, Emmanuella, it's like I'm losing energy. Oh. Is that Ayatomako energy 7 fridge still on?
Yes, now look at it. Yes.
No, I'm losing energy. Oh.
Look at now. We're almost done. Take.
Ah! Oga Titus. Nah, that Ayatomako energy 7 fridge that you bought is working well.
Really?
See, as you just left, we opened the fridge, kept it open and on it, and then I was just working. All my energy was saving.
Who told you Thermocool fridge saves your energy?
Look at that. You said that bought something, you don't even know what you bought.
Tell
See that
me.
fridge you see there, It's Thermocool energy saving fridge. If you on it and leave it open, it will just be saving your energy. As far as the fridge is doing, your energy is saved.
You see, as a businessman, I bought it so we can save money and fuel. Thermocool fridge saves power, energy, and electricity, and not your energy.
But Emmanuella told me that.
Emmanuella told you what?
Uncle, is there everything that smart people will tell you you take?
On you, keep quiet. Oh yeah, take this thing. Go and put it in the fridge. Make sure you close that fridge and come back and finish iron.
Use the energy you have saved to iron this thing. It's remaining small.